Hi students, so today we are going to continue with the problem based on the specific angles. The specific angles, we remember that 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And we all know the value of this six trigonometrics, right? Ratios. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. So it's like just choose the best answer, you have to justify. So by seeing it's a little difficult to choose the answer, let me just give the explanation and we will choose the answer. So here is the 2 tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So it will become a 2 into tan 30 is a 1 by square root of 3 divided by 1 plus tan square will be 1 by square root of 3 the whole square, right? Tan 30 degree is a 1 by square root of 3. So here we will be getting a 2 by square root of 3 and here we can make a square. 1 square will be 1 and square root of 3 square will be 3. So this we can take an LCM. So 2 by square root of 3 divided by 3 plus 1 by 3, and which we will be getting as a 2 by square root of 3 divided by 4 by 3. This we can rewrite as a 2 by square root of 3 into the reciprocal of the denominator 3 by 4, and it will become a 1 and it will become a 2, and you can see that 3 by 2 square root of 3, and you can see the options are in the terms of other specific angles, right? So we have to change it. So do you have any angle with this 3 by 2 square root of 3? No, but we can write this, we can rewrite this 3 as a root 3 into root 3, right? Root 3 into root 3 is a 3 divided by square root of 3. So now we will be getting it as an answer, square root of 3 by 2. So there is many cases there is a square root of 3 by 2. Even in the sine we have, so we have a sine 60 degree and cos 30 degree. So two as the ratios we will be getting this. So let me check which answer is there. Sine 60 is there and we can see that cos 30 degree is not there. So this is will be our answer. This is our justification. So here we go for the next one. Sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a is true when a is equal to. So in this case we can easily find just the 4 options are there. Let me apply the value of this 0 here and let me find a 30 here and 45 here and 60 here. So any of this one value only will be suiting here. Choose suits here. So like that we can apply. So let consider a is equal to 0 here. So this is one of the easiest method to find the answer. Instead of applying for everything, just whatever, totally we have an 5 specific angles, right? So 90 is missing. So just we apply this angle and we can check. So let us start with 0 degree. I hope by 0 we will be getting. So sine 2 into 0 degree is equal to 2 sine 0 degree. 2 into, so we will be getting a sine 2 into 0 degree is also 0, right? 0 is equal to 2 sine 0 degree. So sine 0 is a 0 and 2 into sine 0 is also 0. So 0 is equal to 0. We got LHS equal to RHS. So only at the 0 degree it is possible. We can try for 30 degree also, but we won't get. Let me see. So sine into 2 into 30 degree will become a 60 degree, right? I write directly 2 into sine 30 degree. What is the sine 60 degree? Right? Square root of 3 by 2. And 2 into sine 30 degree is a 1 by 2. So it will become a 1. So you can see that this both are not equal. They are not satisfied. So it will not. So like this 45 also not satisfied, 60 also not. Only 0 degree will be satisfying. And here we go for the next interesting problem. If tan a plus b is equal to square root of 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by square root of 3, and the a plus b lies between 0 degree and 90 degree equals, and a is greater than b, find the a and b. So the first thing is given, tan a plus b is equal to square root of 3. So when we will be getting a square root of 3 at the tan, let me equate both the side by tan. So when we will be getting a tan a square root of 3, tan 60, right? Tan 60. So a plus b is equal to 60 degree, right? So let it be the equation 1, and we can apply for the second one. Tan a minus b is equal to 1 by square root of 3. So the same way, this we have to write in the terms of tan. So tan a minus b is equal to, so when we will be getting a 1 by square root of 3 tan 30 degree, right? So tan 30 degree we will be getting as a 1 by square root of 3. So here the a minus b is equal to 30 degree. So let it be the equation number 2. So now we can see equation 1 and equation 2 are like in a linear equations. We can solve by any of the method. Let me solve by elimination method. Just by adding the plus b and minus b will get cancelled, right? So 1 plus 2 will be getting an a plus b is equal to 60 degree, and second equation is an a minus b is equal to 30 degree. You can see that it cancelled. A plus a is an 2a is equal to 60 plus 30 is a 90 degree, right? And so a is equal to 45 degree. Clear? So now we substitute a is equal to 45 degree in the first equation or second equation. We will be getting, substitute a is equal to 45 degree in equation 1. So there is an 45 degree plus b is equal to 60 degree. That is for the first equation, right? So the b we will be getting as a 60 degree minus 45 degree. So b is equal to 15 degree. So this is our answer. So as per the questions also, you can see the a is greater than b, right? A is 45 and b is 15 and a is the greater than b. So here we go for the final problem. State whether the following are true or false and justify your answer. As we looked the previous section. So sin a plus b is equal to sin a plus sin b. Is it true or false? So we can do this by assuming any angles. So let me assume a is equal to 60 degree and b is equal to 30 degree. You can try with any special angles. We know 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. You can try with anything. I am just trying with a 60 and 30. So the first thing is on sine a plus b is right. 60 degree plus 30 degree. So we will be getting a sine 90 degree. So sine 90 is equal to 1. Don't go beyond that 60 plus 45, because we know until the 90 degree, right? 60 plus 45 we will be getting as 105. So when you don't know that value, so just stick to a little lesser than that. So we will be getting a value. And the next one is a sine a plus sine b, right? That means sine 60 degree plus sine 30 degree. What is sine 60 degree? Sine 60 degree is equal to square root of 3 by 2 plus sine 30 is 1 by 2, which is equal to square root of 3 plus 1 by 2. Whether both are equal? No. So it is a false, right? So the next one, the value of sine theta increase as theta increases. Is it true or false? This we can, with the help of the table, you can see. So it says the value of sine theta increase when theta is increased. So here is the table. So theta value is increasing 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. And check the sine value whether it is increasing 0, half, yes it is increasing. And 1 by square root of 2, yes still it is increasing. Here it is 0.5, here it is a 1 divided by 1.141, sure it is increasing. And here square root of 3 by 2, square root of 3 is a 1.7 something by 2, sure it is also increasing, and here is also increasing, right? So then it is true. Since so theta is 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree is increasing, and the values also like increasing 1 by 2, 1 by square root of 2, it is less than a square root of 3 by 2 and less than 1, right? And value, the next question, the value of cos theta increase as theta increases. This is obviously false, since we know from this it is the reverse of the sine value is the cos value, right? So it is increasing and it will be decreasing, right? It is a false, because while the special angles that we know were increasing, and you can see that it is decreasing. So cos 0 degree will be 1, and this is square root of 3 by 2, and it is a 1 by square root of 2, and it is a 1 by 2, finally it is a 0. So this is not increasing, it is a decreasing, right? So next, sine theta is equal to cos theta for all value of theta. Is it true or false? Sine theta is equal to cos theta. So let me consider in a sine 0 degree is a 0. What about a cos 0 degree? Is a 1, right? Both are same? No. So it is a false. Since even the 0 degree itself a failed. So cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0 degree. So we have to, it is true or false. Actually it is true. By the table you can say, right? Cot A is not defined. So this is the table. For a 0 degree the cot value is not defined. So directly we can say it is true, but we have to give the justification, right? So we know that tan 0 value. So cot A we can write as an tan A, where A is given 0, so which is equal to tan 0 degree, since they given for to find a 0 degree. So tan 0 degree is a 0, right? So 1 by 0 is undefined. We cannot define, we cannot divide anything by 0. So it is a undefined. So it's not defined. Thank you.